So in today's video, this one's kind of exciting for me. I've been carrying this around for a week and haven't had a chance to sit down and just film this. But this is going to be one of my new sponsors, and they were gracious enough to provide what I'm about to open in front of you. And I could really use them right now because it's blowing about 45 miles an hour outside. It's 19 degrees Fahrenheit, but it feels like it's like -9 according to my phone. So it's definitely cold out there, and I can feel the cold air just radiating in. So without further ado, this product is from Vanagon Maniac, and they approached and asked if I'd like to test out their products here in Alaska where it's cold. So I said yes, and this is my first package. So I figured I would open the whole thing in front of you to show you, one, they packed it really well, and two, I'm really excited to use this because I've looked hard for these, and they are here now. So what we have here are a full set of specifically made for Vanagon window covers. So we will not be using my flimsy little ones that work, but these are really thick and they're really well made. So I'm excited to try these, and I will give you 100% honest feedback on what I think of them over the course of a little bit of time. I want to use them, I want to put them to test, and you know, and I told them when they approached that I'm very honest with what I'm doing here, so there will be no exceptions. If it's something that doesn't work, I'll be letting you know. And they were good with that. So and I'm only taking sponsors that are going to allow me, one, to speak my mind freely, and two, things that I actually use here in the van, and these are gonna get used. So I'm gonna open them up. I'll show you here in a second. I'll cut the film for just a second so I can open these up. But yeah, I'm exceptionally excited about these. I've been looking hard for a really nice quality set of these, and here is what they look like when you open them up. So window covers, back windows, and then I got big window. Yeah, this is going to be fantastic for back here. So we'll put them on, we'll test them out, and I'll give you some feedback. So let me get mine out of the way, and we'll put these up. Okay, fun fact, because I wasn't paying attention and I was pointing that I was doing these windows, but in reality, they're the front windows, which honestly, I wasn't gonna get those because I didn't think I needed them, but now I've put them in, and I'll show you in a second. It's blowing 45 miles an hour outside, and I got a couple leaks around my like my speaker and my door handle and my doors, but it's incredible the amount of heat that's being retained in this Vanagon now that the front windows are covered. I had no idea I was losing that much heat out of my windshield and out of my side windows, because I usually have my little curtain down so to try to hold the heat back here in the back. But every morning when I would wake up, especially the last week and a half, with it being in the minus temperatures, the windows have been frosted up, so it takes forever to defrost. So I'm hoping tomorrow when I pull these window covers down, it won't be as bad. But I can tell you from here that, wow, big difference. And here's what they look like installed. And I don't normally keep the front open, but I was outside a few minutes ago trying to look for light, and there's no light seeping through. They click right on. They fit fantastic. So I'm very stoked, and if this video is a little dark, I'll take some better pictures during the daytime so I can have the windows all opened up so you can see from back here. But wow, they work great, and I love the suction cups. They actually stick to my windshield, which in the past I've talked to several friends that have a different brand window covers, and the suction cups always fail. These, I'm very impressed with how well they stuck on the windshield, especially when it's cold, because windows normally when they're cold won't hold a suction cup very well. I know this from experience because I've had stick-on radar detectors and navigation devices, and when it drops down below zero, they always fall off the windshield. So, yep, so far, very impressed. Great quality, built well, they stick wonderful. The magnets are fantastic. They're better than the ones I used, and I bought some pretty high-end ones because I got tired of mine falling off because of the Velcro. So looking forward to getting the rear set now, and I will absolutely show you those 100% when I get them, because mine, I can feel the cold radiating through them. Mine are 2 layers, and the Vanagon Maniac ones are 9 layers, and they are thick. These work, they help, but after seeing those, there's no comparison. So definitely check out Vanagon Maniac, and I will show you these in the daytime, either via pictures or I'll film a little more. But great product. I'm proud to be part of the affiliate program with these guys, so you too can get in on that through my channel, which I will post a link in the YouTube channel and the Instagram channel, so you guys can save some money, and you can also help support me, because I'll get a little bit back, and every bit that I get back will go right back into the Vanagon, 100%. So anyhow, I will get off of here for now, but so far very impressed. It's cold outside and they are working great. It's considerably warmer in here already, which that I really needed, because it's not been very comfortable in here. So this is what it looks like after I took down the Vanagon Maniac window covers, and you'll see all that ice build up. Sorry about the mess in here, but yeah, all that ice buildup is actually the cold that used to radiate in here that's now trapped between the windshield and the covers. So yeah, it takes a few minutes for everything to thaw out, but the nice thing is all that cold isn't radiating inside my Vanagon anymore. And this is one of my biggest heat losses that I had. That was why I was really excited to get these window covers, because now I'm not losing all this heat that I was losing before.